And I forgot to do the PowerShell. PowerShell, go in here, run as administrator. Okay, so this one's going to be incorrect parameters. You get the details. Auto-tuning right here. This is what you're looking for. You can play around with this and see which works best for you, what numbers you get best, speed. But I'm going to go for experimental. Are we there? Paste it. If it says okay, then it's good to go. Alright, I'm going to try to go over this real quick. So you have your updates, and then you have Windows updating too, and then the Microsoft Store updates, and then you have your bandwidth, right? So you go into the network, open network settings, you right click on that, and then you get into, what is it? I'll go through this first before the Windows Update settings, right? I just had to think about it beforehand. This is not scripted. You go to your adapter settings for sure, and you go into the properties and you configure it. You go into your advanced and you just start disabling certain stuff. Energy efficient, make sure it's disabled. The green light, green Ethernet. Power saving, make sure priority and VLAN is enabled. Receive buffer, you can change this to 512 or 256. What is it? 128 will probably be more efficient. Then where's it at? The send. That's receive, so your send buffer. Transmit buffer, that's right. 128, let's bring that down to. And then all the wake stuff disabled. And not speed down. Right. So, updating that. And then you Windows update. You go into your update stuff. This is what controls the speeds here. See, it's 0 bytes a second. And this one's just, the other stuff is just nailing along. And so it's deprioritizing updating Forza and updating the other stuff. And so how you actually control these speeds in Windows is your delivery optimization. And I found that this is the best setting right here. You can bring this up to 100%. But honestly, I want to leave a little bit of room for me doing other stuff, and then bring this one up to whatever you can max it out. I mean, if you really want to get the maximum out of your downloads. But I figure 75 should be good. 75, 95. And then it'll be the most to round it out. See, that's already cranked way